Just a short clip here. I dug these purple fingerling potatoes late yesterday evening, and I weighed them out. I went back to my records and I had planted 3 pounds of potatoes, and what I had done is I just planted them whole. I didn't cut them and divide them, and it was approximately 17 plants, and what they produced was 26 pounds of potatoes. So from 3 pounds to 26 pounds is a really good increase. Really thank y'all for that. But these potatoes here in my area cost $3 a pound. So this is what, 80 bucks of potatoes, 78. Anyway, whatever the math is, but just thought I'd show you the increase. I'm going to give these another try this next year, and thanks for watching.